them see me in the community, they make a find in favor somebody who them all look for. You hold him, you catch him. He have so many ID on him that you could have searched him, you could have asked him. I don't know if that do happen. Ask him what he's about in the community. Question him, you know. You don't just kill a man and then you ask him question after. Because the question what you got ask him, he never can answer if you kill him before. Yeah, we cut up about it, to be honest. The funniest thing about it, he, a few days ago, was condemning it. Can you imagine that? Few days ago, he was condemning. And to see my brother condemn the kidnapping and all of that. And then him come losing life because of the same scenario, whatever them want to call it. It hurt. When I say it hurt, I mean it hurt.
The search is still on for the persons involved in yesterday's mob killing in St. Thomas. That is Levi Chambers of South Haven in Yalos in the parish. It's reported that Chambers was attacked by residents who had mistaken him for Davian Bryan, who it suspected abducted 2 young girls last week. They were later found. Head of the St. Thomas Police Superintendent Alison Byfield says the police are determined to find those involved in Mr. Chambers' death.
We're still combing the area trying to identify persons who are linked to the killing. Like large stand for search parties still go to the area.
Head of the St. Thomas Police Superintendent Alison Byfield